In this video, I want to show you how to find current promotions inside the Ladbrokes app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we want to do is open up the Ladbrokes app as you normally would, and then make sure to sign in or sign up if you haven't done so already. Now from here, right at the top, you'll see like a little phone, or don't even know what you call that icon. And for me, it's got a number next to it, so the number might be different to you guys. So go ahead and click on that button, and now from here it's called the Ladbrokes locker. Well, there it is, that's called the locker. So we need to click on the promotions tab, bottom of the page here, and this is where all the promotions and featured markets are saved. So we can check out all the different promotions by scrolling down like so. These will be different because if you watching this at a different time, so in the future. And so I'm on the alls tab. If you want the racing promotions and featured markets, click racing. If you want the sports, go ahead and click on sports and have a scroll down at all the different current promotions.